Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new video, and now we're continuing this series of affiliate marketing guide for beginners. This is step number 3. If you haven't watched step number 1 or 2, the link for number 1 is going to come up here somewhere, and the link for number 2 is going to be at the end of this video. Follow these 2 steps because they're very critical for your success. Now you're going to understand why as we keep building up. And what I want you to know is that step number 3 is where the money is coming from. A lot of gurus out there, they're trying to sell their programs, they're trying to sell their training or their coaching, and they have commissions that they will pay for you to promote their products. But maybe you're not interested in that. You don't want to promote anything like that. What you're passionate about, you want to make money off of it, because if you are like everybody else that want to quit their jobs, you maybe are not passionate about what you're doing, and then you're stuck in a rut doing the same job over and over every single day, wishing that you somehow can win the lottery or do something very crazy, or money will fall out of the sky so you guys can actually quit and enjoy the life that you want. This is where the part of making commissions at the very beginning could be 10, 20, 30%. But if you do your research, you might be able to find affiliate programs that will pay you up to 75%. And that's why a lot of gurus out there are telling you you need a high ticket affiliate program. Now, one of the points that I want to make to you is, like, there's affiliate programs and they're one-off sales. They're great, right? They will make you money, but you need to constantly bring leads to it or customers for you to actually make the same amount of money every month. And it's really hard to say that you're gonna get 100 people every single month to buy that program, especially when you got repeat customers coming to you. So I always talk to you about trying to find anything that can be subscription based, because you have a baseline right there of knowing how many people are gonna sign up the first month, and then the second month you know that at least you have that baseline of, let's say, 30 people, and then the subscription might be 15 to 20 bucks that you're getting in commissions. At least that's a baseline that you guys can build in. Now, the other issue with affiliate marketing and a lot of these affiliate programs is understanding that when you're talking about something that you're very passionate about, you will find that subscription-based product that you're promoting. But as you do more research and then you get to know a lot about your affiliate programs within your niche, you will find that there's other ones that complement that first one, and you can stack them up, and then you can have 3 or 4 products that are very in the same line, and you can build on those commissions. So they can be 3 or 4 that are worth 20-25% commissions, but when you're adding them up, it can give you that income. And then we're gonna talk of other ways that you guys actually can, and possibly in the near future you guys can make even more income as part of your affiliate business. But we're gonna concentrate on affiliate programs because this is where you need to start. Now we're gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you a couple that are not as popular, but a lot of people are very passionate about, and you will be able to actually make money off of it. So we're gonna jump into my computer, guys, and if you want to know the next few steps, there's 2 things that you can do. One, you can click that first link on the description. That's my affiliate guide that we talk about all these steps if you guys don't want to wait for the actual videos. But this videos go a little bit more in detail of what I write on that guide. It's absolutely free. Click that first link on the description. Or you guys can subscribe to my channel, hit the button that says subscribe and the notification button, and then when I come up with the next videos on this playlist, you guys will the first ones to know when the video is coming out, so you guys can go along. And if you already have the guide, you can match the guide with the information that I'm giving you in these videos that go more into detail. But now we're gonna jump into my computer and we're gonna talk about the commissions that you can get into different niches. All right, now this is the reason why I want to show you this. There's a friend of mine at work that does not believe that he can actually make money with this type of niche, which is model trains, right? And if you do your research, you click on Google and you enter, historic trains, affiliate programs, you will be able to find something. If you do more digging, might be able to find something, that can be a subscription base where they're teaching you how to build them or something like that. Like I said, if you know your niche, you know what you're looking for, and you'll be able to find these affiliate programs. Now, right here, I found this website for the best model train affiliate programs, and one of the websites that I was looking at, it's called this historic rail affiliate program. Then the tracking cookie or the link when they click through your website, or your link is gonna be sticky for 60 days. That's a pretty good time, because you're talking about these people will be there for 2 months, and eventually they might decide to come back and buy. And as you can see, they got models and kits. This one's $149 from what I can see in the picture. You can actually go and click on this link to go see and learn more about the website. Now, this is where you go 10%, right? And it looks very low. But at the same token, like I said, that first sale is the hardest ones to do. And if you have something that is like this low, at least you get him in the entry of as your customer. And then as we move along, I'll show you what the steps you need to make to keep them interested in you and keep coming back, so then you can make even more sales. And another one was All Aboard, right? And then these are model railroads. And if you look at the commission, it's 3 to 8%. Now, that doesn't mean that you guys can make a living out of this. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually do. Now, we're gonna go here to this website right here. This affiliate program is the Model Train Resources Affiliate Program. You can earn up to 75% on each sale of our ebook. So you have an ebook with trains, and you're talking about 75%. The other ones are 10 to 15%. So right there, with this one-off sales, you can actually make a good living with it. And then as you search even more, if you're interested in trains, you guys will be able to find something that is subscription based, that will give you that very specific income every single month. Now, in this other program, I found it, and this is the website Authority Hacker. It is talking about the 15 best fashion affiliate programs with big payouts in 2020. And you guys can actually go and look. You got fashion affiliate programs like Reward Style, Shop Style Collective, and Zappos, and TJ Maxx has an affiliate program, Urban Outfitters. And you guys can see that they break it down with the commission varies for some of them. That's the URL, so you guys can go and join. Unknown of the cookie, but the more research that you guys make, like this one includes everything from baby clothes to beauty products. So it also depends if you in the category, like we talked before, you want to talk about baby clothes or you want to talk about beauty products. Let's see, this one is up to 20%, and I know that you can see that these are very low affiliate commissions. And a lot of people will tell you, well, you need to go for the ones that are 70-80%, and that's when they're gonna sell you like training. You might be able to find training of how to build a website. You can actually find affiliate programs that can teach people how to do their makeup, or go into talking about clothing and anything like that you can actually get very nice commissions. Now, this one right here is a new chick affiliate program, up to 50%, and it says your baseline is 18% of every sale and 50% commissions instead, depending on the volume, right? So the more that you guys actually do research on your market, you will see what kind of affiliate programs you actually can join. This blogging has 105 best affiliate programs of 2020 for high paying for beginners. But as you can see up here, it says free blogging masterclass. So you decide that you want to create a YouTube channel, or you actually have grown your Instagram and you start making commissions. You can actually create your own course of how to create an Instagram account that will give you commissions on that specific niche that you have. That's one other way that you guys can start earning money. That's why a lot of different income streams are very important when you're doing affiliate marketing. But when you start and you want to make commissions from promoting somebody else's products, and then you can move along. One other way is with your content. Once you get to a certain level, especially in YouTube, and we're going to talk about that when we go to content creation, you guys can actually earn commissions in there too. But with this, it's just for you guys to get started, because as you get more leverage and you become more well known on your niche, there will be people that will notice you, and they will come to you, and they will give you their products for you to promote in your channel or in your accounts, and they will give you a good commission because of all the people that you're bringing in. So you got to think on the big picture at the end, but at the very beginning, it's got to take a little while for you guys to get there. What I encourage you is to, once you pick your niche, look at the commission structure of all the products that could be out there in the internet, so you guys know exactly where you're at. And if you believe that this is what you really want to do, and if you're passionate, and maybe the little commissions, but if you're passionate about that, you will be able to create an income in no time. Because for you, it's not so much that you gotta make 50% of every sale, but you are going to bring more people in. You gotta make small commissions, but they add up towards the end. And if you can find a commission structure that will bring people every single month and pay a subscription, maybe buying parts for the trains, or training that people will give every week or every month, and people have to pay a subscription base payout so they can get access to that training, or join a club where every month they get discounts or anything like that on parts. You guys will be set, at least from the very beginning, to start at the bottom and get pretty good commissions on your niche. So as you saw on the computer, and there's ways to make money. Some of the commissions start very low, but you need to do your research. Once you validate your niche, and then that at the very beginning you're gonna make small commissions, but there's other programs out there that you guys can actually join at a later date and earn even bigger commissions. As you can see on the train, there's 10%, but then it's an ebook that's 70% commission for every sale. Then you guys know and get validated that you guys can actually make a living out of your passion, which is the idea with affiliate marketing. Don't jump into the commission structure that is 50, 80, 90%. Maybe there's some that can give you that. There's some other ones can give you 75. But if you're not passionate about what you're talking about, it's gonna be very, very hard for you guys to actually try to sell those products. And one of the things that I will highly, highly recommend to you is, if you are going to promote certain products, certain websites, and you want to gain authority in your niche, buy products from those places. Make sure that the shipping is right. Make sure that they have a good customer service, because in the end, you're the one promoting those products. You're the one promoting those websites. And if they give a very crappy quality, no customer service, guess who in the end is gonna get damaged? It's you. And then when you try to promote other products, they're gonna be like, you sent me to this website and I never got the stuff. Or they keep telling me that they're back ordered and I'm never gonna get them. you're gonna start losing customers left and right. So you gotta be sure that you try these products, no matter what it is, or order stuff from the certain websites, so you can give the most accurate information to your customers, so you can earn the highest commissions ever. So I hope this video helped you understand that there's different ways, and that your passion can be monetized in many different ways. We gotta move forward in the next videos, and I'm gonna show you the next steps that you need to take so you guys can actually get people in your world and find 1,000 true fans, because that's all you need. You don't need hundreds of thousands of people to make a good living on the internet like others tell you all the time. 1,000 true fans will make you a living in the niche and in the passion that you want. So I want you to leave me in the comment section what niche will you be interested in, or what's the niche that you think that you want to go in but you can't find any affiliate programs that will fit your lifestyle of kind of commissions that you want to make. Maybe I can make this research for you, then I can show you on another video what I found. And if you like this content, you want to know the next steps of the video, hit that button, subscribe. Also hit the notification button, because we still got a few more steps to go before you see the full picture on the affiliate marketing guide for beginners. So with that being said, I will see you in the next video.